coupled with drying fuels resulting from the lack of significant rain, have resulted in several wildfires over the past several days. While County in central South Carolina, central Lexington County in central South Carolina, Richmond County in central South Carolina, western Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 8:30 a.m. At 7:43 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Blackstock to 9 miles southwest of Red Bank, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Arcadia Lakes, Casey, Lebanon Fire Station, White Rock, Winnsboro, Irma, Ridgeway, St. Andrews, Midford, Lexington, Casey Riverwalk, Columbia International University, Pine Ridge, Liberty Hill, Cedar Creek Fire Station, White Oak, Dixiana, Harbison State Forest, Litherwood, and Seven Oaks. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 49 and 85. Interstate 26 between mile markers 94 and 120. Interstate 77 between mile markers 0 and 50. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yep. TOA.
Effective until 1 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield, Clarendon, Darlington, Dillon, Florence, Kershaw, Lee, Marion, Marlborough, Sumter, and Williamsburg. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for